Hello everyone, today I want to show you guys a makeup look using Caffeine Holic palette from Etude house, so let's get started. My skin has been really dry lately, so I'm gonna apply this unicorn essence to soften my skin before applying the foundation or the makeup. And then I'm gonna apply my current favorite foundation from Mocha in Vanilla all over my face. I can't get enough of how this foundation can create such a nice glow on my skin. Next, I'm gonna cover my dark circles with a liquid concealer from Canme and then blend it out evenly. Next, I'm gonna draw my eyebrows with a brown eyebrow pencil. And then I'm gonna fill it up more with an eyebrow powder. After that, use the brush to lighten the color. Next, I'm gonna contour my nose to make it look higher. And also my jawline and my cheeks area to make my face look more dimensional. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit of highlighter under the second feathers on my face. For the eye makeup, I'm gonna start with this color number 6 and apply it all over my eyelid. Use a big blending brush to apply it to create a soft gradation. Next, I'm gonna apply number 7, which is slightly darker, onto my mobile eyelid like this, and blend it evenly. And then I'm gonna take number 8 and apply it onto the inner corner of my eye like this, and also apply it onto the other V and then blend it inwards like this. Next, I'm gonna apply number 9 onto the middle part of my eyelid. I'm gonna use my finger and tap it gently to avoid the fallout. And I'm going to apply the same color onto my lower lid as well. Next, I'm gonna take number 10 and apply it as an eyeliner onto my upper and lower lash line. And then apply it onto the other corner a little bit like this. Next, I'm gonna use a pen liner to draw the line on top of the eyeshadow that I've applied earlier. And then I'm going to apply a dark brown mascara onto the upper and lower lashes. And then apply the falsies. to apply a dark orange blusher under my cheeks, and I'm going to use a small brush to apply it like this and blend it evenly. Last, I'm going to apply this taupe red lip tint all over my lips, and then dab a little bit of brown eyeshadow and apply it on top of it to make it look darker. And the makeup is done. So this is my Mocha Latte makeup using one eyeshadow palette. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!